Hey guys, I hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to write down your goals using Notion. So, if you are interested, keep watching the video and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So, let's get started. So, after opening Notion, we're gonna start by creating a new page. All you need to do is to click on that plus and the new page will pop up. Choose the name of the new page. For me, I'll choose 2026 goals. You can also add an icon or a picture. You can upload it from your device or you can choose randomly from the stickers available on the app. And now I will write down a title for this page. You can write anything you want or you can skip this step. I write down, you can do it, and a bunch of stickers. And now I'm gonna start with writing the categories of the goals. For me, I write down goals using categories. For example, financial goals. I put all my financial goals under finance or career goals. And just like this, I'm gonna keep writing my goals. And now after finishing my goals, I will change the cover of the page. You can choose from the pictures available in the app, or you can upload your own picture. And also I will change the picture of the page. I will upload my own picture. And just like this, our video come to an end. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next.